Hey, I wanted to take you through a quick walkthrough of my unboxing of the MacBook Pro with M2 chip, 14-inch. I do want to apologize for the cooking mess in the background. I had just cooked breakfast for my son and I, but in any case, I wanted to make sure that I recorded this video before I unboxed the MacBook Pro so that you can see everything from start to finish. I actually had a 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. I believe it's 13 or 13.5 display. You'll see it in the back or next to the box that I'm unboxing. But basically, Apple states that those devices, the 2020 MacBook M1, do not come with an additional slot for RAM. And because of all the different tasks I'm doing and my new role with my current company, I'm having to, or I basically needed to upgrade somehow. And since they don't have that additional slot to install more RAM, it was recommended I upgrade and purchase this one here that I'm unboxing. So that is the whole purpose of me even getting this new device. And I will say so far it's worked very well for me and everything that I have to do. So back to the unboxing, I'm unraveling the power cable here. And this is a MagSafe power cable, so the MacBook that's next to it, my old one, it charges via USB-C, and then this new one charges via MagSafe, although I can use my USB-C power cable with it as well. So it's interchangeable. I can use the MagSafe or the USB-C to charge this new laptop. And as always, Apple nails it in terms of their packaging of their devices. So here I'm just showing you what it comes with in terms of the basic technical documentation for the device. And it also comes with the usual Apple stickers and the small print terms and conditions and information on the warranty. So hardware is usually covered by Apple for a year, and there's more about it on the tiny print there. And here is the charging block or power supply. And I was trying not to tear it open because I thought, what if I don't like the device? I want to take it back. I want at least the packaging to look decent, but then I was like, oh wait, I don't even think that matters, so I just tear it off. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my outlet. Move this box out of the way. And I'm gonna plug it in. So here I'm showing you that it comes with the SD, USB-C, and HDMI ports. And on the other side, it has your MagSafe, 2 additional USB-C ports, and an audio jack. Open it up, and you're gonna go through the OOBE, which last time I saw that term, it was when I was working with Windows devices, but I think it's the same for Mac. So OOBE stands for out-of-box experience. And so that's just basically the normal navigation that pops up that takes you through setting up your device. So when you're setting up a Mac, it asks you to connect to your Wi-Fi, which I'm doing here. And then in addition to that, it's going to ask you, hey, do you have another laptop you want to migrate data off of and onto here? And so you can say yes or no. You can even migrate data. You don't even have to have the device nearby, but you can migrate data from just by logging into your iCloud account. And if you have a data backup in your iCloud account, it can just pull it from there. But in this case, I have my old device right next to it, So I'm going to go ahead and do the data migration that way through the Migration Assistant program or application that Apple has. So the Migration Assistant application automatically comes up when you're going through that setup on a new device. And on your old device, you just have to open up the Migration Assistant, which is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to log into my old device. And I'm just going to use the magnifying glass at the top right. It's my favorite thing to use when I'm searching for apps, but I'm just going to use it and type in Migration Assistant, and up it pops. So now it's telling me basically that my old laptop does not, or it needs the power cable or the power adapter to be connected to do the migration. So I'm looking for it now. Alright, so now I got it connected. I'm going to put the new laptop in front of my camera here so you can see what the next step is in the Migration Assistant. So now it's saying to look for this code on the old device, or the one that you're transmitting data from. And once you confirm that code is correct, it'll go ahead and initiate the connection between the two. So now it's asking what data you want transferred onto this new device. To keep things easy and simple, I just leave everything checked off because I do need absolutely every single thing that was off my old device. So for those of you who it might be different for you. You might know exactly what it is that you need, so you can uncheck and check things off. But for someone like myself who wants to just keep it simple again and have everything transferred over, I just made sure to have everything checked off. It does give you an estimate of how long it's going to take for the migration to be completed. Mine took about 4.5 hours. I had a lot of data on my old computer, but having that estimation does help and kind of give you a heads up on how long things are going to take. So now you just wait and let it do its thing. The migration has been completed, and now all is good in the world. Thanks for watching.